Because right now, I don't know. I don't know, y'all. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Naturally Carlissa, and today I'm going to be doing a wash and go. Don't worry about this genie hairstyle that I got going on. First and foremost, if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at naturally_Carlissa. I have a lot more content on there. So today I'm going to be using a new product that I found at Walmart called the Doux Pop Block Wash and Go Collection. So it's a 5-day curl forming glaze. This is a one product wash and go product. That's what it claims. I actually have a video using the Mousse Def Mousse. It was a one product, and I will link that below or put it in the cards if I remember. But I loved it, so I'm not expecting anything less from this. I watched a couple videos with it, and what I saw was, I guess they were saying some mistakes were that people were using too much and it was causing flakes, and then you're not supposed to touch it after you put it in your hair. I just want y'all to know that my hair has been falling out in clumps for like a few months. And I'm thinking it's because I haven't been taking care of my hair like I should be. So I clarified my hair and did a protein treatment deep conditioner with a heated cap. So hopefully my curls come out poppin'age. For right now, I'm going to part my hair. I'm going to have a side part for this because I'm not sure if I'm going to diffuse directly after. Okay, so this is a side part that I'm going to do. I kind of part my hair just to see how it's going to look once I finish. Now, a little bit about this product too. Again, I said it's a one product wash and go. They don't recommend you put in any type of leave-in, anything in your hair before using their product. And don't put any oils in your hair until after the product dries. They real picky about their stuff. I'm going to start with these sections right here. They say not to use too much. So I'm just going to detangle. I'm going to take a small amount. About that much. And I'm just going to put this glaze on here. It smells really good. And I also told myself I'm going to spray my hair. It's something I don't do. So I'm going to spray my hair. I feel like that wasn't enough. So that's my curls. Part of me feels like this is just not going to be a good enough hold. Because I'm feeling like this is not going to moisturize my hair like I need to. Like I need something else. So it says once you put it in, do not touch your hair, leave it alone. So, I don't know. I'm worried. You're probably thinking,
Alyssa, if your hair's been falling out, why are you doing a wash and go?
I don't know. I have no idea. A little bit about the ingredients. It has honey, argan oil, keratin amino acids, and silk amino acids in it. I don't know what any of that means. That's just for anybody that's ingredient technical. And I bought this at Walmart, and I believe they have it at Target, and it's available on their website. They're going to cringe at me because I know they're very specific about putting it on your hair and don't touch it. But because my hair is so dry from being clarified, from a protein treatment, there's no leave-in, no other products. I'm just trying to make sure that this gets into my strands as good as it possibly can, since this is going to be the only product. Okay, so this is the back of my hair. So far, it doesn't feel super duper dry. But when I'm combing it out after I rake all the product in, I'm getting a little snag on my ends. Even though I'm trying to make sure that I get enough on my ends, I'm just getting that snag. So maybe because they say don't touch your hair after you put it in, maybe I'm not supposed to be combing it out, but if I did, my hair would probably be a frizzy mess. So I'm definitely making sure to get onto my roots, and I'm just going over all of this to make sure that every single strand gets some type of product on it. I'm making sure my ends get product on it. See what I mean about the combing part? Now this could be a combination. I'm always trying to make excuses for these companies, but it could be a combination of my hair already being dry with no product, and then, you know, this is the only product. But I'm gonna leave it just like this. Shake it a little bit to make it curl up. So this is the finished front. I did my edges a little bit. I still don't know, y'all. I don't know. I really don't, because the front is a little frizzy, but I try to make sure I got my roots. I'm confused. I'm all done. I don't know how to feel right now. We'll see. Because right now, I don't know. I don't know, y'all. Okay, so this is my hair after diffusing. And my hair is about, what's my favorite number, guys? About 85% dry. It's probably not 85%, but it's mostly dry. So what I'm going to do is go back through, and I'm going to separate my curls to make my hair bigger. So I'm just going to take an oil of my choice and go over my hair and just start separating like I always do to make my hair bigger. Trying to prevent frizz, but you guys see that that's not working. Okay, so this is fluffed versus unfluffed. Just wanted to show y'all the difference. I'm gonna come back when it's all done. That's what I'm gonna do. This is possibly a look. Half up, half down. Okay, give me a second. All right, so my hair is all finished and completely shingled. I tried to put on some lashes, y'all. Don't worry about it if they look crazy. I don't understand why there's a double thing going on. Like, don't mind it. Don't worry about it. Like, it's fine. I'm okay. I shingled my hair, and this is the back. My hair doesn't feel like totally dried out, but the real test is going to be the next few days to see if it dries out a whole bunch. I separated my hair and then put it up in like a little pony do type of thing, and just basically was trying to see, like, you know, trying to stretch my roots out a little bit after I picked it out. But I'm loving it. Feels good. Looks good. For one product, it did amazing. You're wondering why I'm just staring at you like this is because there's some glue right here and it really itches and I put it on wrong. So I'm trying my best. I like it. You know, I knew that it was going to do some well because, you know, I was pleased with the mousse that they had. So I was hoping that this actually came through and did what it was supposed to do. And the Doux did what it was supposed to do. So that's all I got for you people. I will see y'all on the next video.